How would I define storytelling? Okay. The year was 2007. I had just graduated from high school with a C plus grade point average. I had no clue what to do as far as a career, but I knew I loved business. Even throughout high school, I did things on the side and made a little cash flow. Nothing major. These were small time flips where I would make a little turnaround profit on a car or something like that. So I knew that wasn't a long-term solution, and I decided to go to college with the hope of finding a trade or acquiring a knowledge that I could exploit and make money on. The crazy part is that I found what I was looking for, and I developed an intense passion for. It wasn't supposed to be that way. I mean, I was just trying to find that vehicle that I could use to make money. The passion I found was in film and video production, and the way I found it was on a school project. It was a group project where we had to research our community, and we felt that we could save ourselves from work if we made a video instead of writing a paper. But we were wrong. It would have been much easier if we just made that paper, but I'm glad we did it because I fell in love with the process of capturing and piecing that video together. So much that I shifted all my attention to film and made it my goal to make a living on creating narratives from scratch and being able to say I had a hand in making that. I was a part of creating that project. So I finished college and I was ready to go. I was ready to go make it big. There was only one problem. I couldn't find a job. And that was hard because I was so eager to start making videos. So I kept reaching out to local channels and reaching out until I finally got a job at a local station, and I felt stuck. The projects were not creative, the culture wasn't that great, and eventually I just said, forget it, I'll do my own thing. And I launched a production company with the most amazing name ever. You ready?
Raid Productions.
Creative, I know. And here I am, 6 years later, doing what I love. So you asked me to define storytelling, and that's the best answer I can give you. This story encompasses all the ingredients you need: a time, a place, a main character, a goal, obstacles, and a resolution. This story happens to be true. And if you ask me, how does it fit into marketing? Well, the story I just shared with you is branded content. It's branded content about the origins of my company. And now there's a face to Ray Productions. We should have a closer relationship now, and therefore you may be more inclined to use my services. Remember, people buy from people. And I'll close with that. This is Biz Talk with Ray, your place for business tips, advice, and conversation.